Pronounce Perfect English channel is back to you. In this video, I am going to demonstrate for you how to pronounce these three words. The first one is chamber, the second one is champagne, and the third one is champagne. The first word is chamber. Chamber. It's a two-syllable word. The stressed syllable is the first part of the word. Chamber. Chamber is a large room. It's a French word. In French we say chambre. In English we say chamber, a large room. The second word is also a French word, champagne. It's in English champagne. Champagne is a two-syllable word, but the stressed syllable is on the second syllable. Pain, champagne. And be careful, we say champagne, not champagne. Champagne. It's also a French word, champagne, which means, of course, wine. The third word is a beautiful word. It's also a French word, champagne. Champagne is in French la campagne, which is the place in the countryside. That's the meaning of the word. So chamber, champagne, champagne. Chamber, champagne, champagne. Thank you and goodbye.